Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make a prayer place Solidworks software. So I'm taking the new plane. Okay. Then I'm MMGS is selected. I'm selected the extruded boss. Top plane is selected. Then center rectangle is sketching. Okay. Smart dimension used for determine the dimension. It will be 100 millimeters. It will be 200 millimeters. Okay, close the drawing, and upward will be 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then again extrude bar is select and one click is here. Then Ctrl 8 for normal sketch. Then select the SP line, one click, another click, and another click. Escape. Then center line is selected. Okay. Escape. Then mirror command is selected, one click, another click, and another click. Then line, okay, and line command is selected, connected to this point. Close this drawing. Okay, done. It will be downwards and 10 millimeters also. Okay, done. Then going to select the extrude command again and Ctrl 8. Then selected the corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Okay, smart dimension is selected, and here to here distance will be 10 millimeters. It is also 10 millimeters. Now all sides are 10 millimeters. All sides are 10 millimeters. Okay, from here to here also 10 millimeters. Okay, then okay, then Ctrl 7 and close. Then thickness will be 5 millimeters, and it will be 20 millimeters, and it will be also downwards. Okay, done. Then done. Then go to select the fillet, click, another click, another click, another click, another click, and downwards also selected, and to this part also selected, and it will be 2 millimeters. Okay, done. You can change the color. Go to here and you can select the plastic eyeglass. This color is selected, tool body selected, then it will be color will be changed. Okay, thank you for watching.